Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Fraser, Michigan, the home of New Method Steel Stamps Incorporated. For nearly a century, New Method has been the world leader in the development and manufacturing of automatic roll marking attachments for OD and end face marking. They offer marking tools and attachments for all CNC turning and machining centers, as well as single and multiple spindle screw machines. New Method is a women-owned fourth-generation family company with their roots located in Detroit, Michigan. As the company flourished, it held many patents for their unique manufacturing processes and eventually relocated to their current suburban Fraser facility. New Method manufactures all styles of marking type, roll dies, and press stamps. Alongside their full product line, they offer pneumatic and manual impact presses, numbering heads, and customized marking machines. With a highly skilled and stable workforce, New Method has diversified and increased their manufacturing capabilities to include prototype and low-volume production stampings and assemblies. This expansion not only enhances their product range, but also reinforces the company's commitment to staying at the forefront of industry advancements while maintaining exceptional standards of quality and customer satisfaction. Supplying everyone from Fortune 100 companies to small independent business owners worldwide, New Method continues to be a trusted leader in manufacturing. New Method is ISO 9001 certified for precision and micro-precision machining, turning, bending, stamping, and machine assembly for manufacturing, automotive, and medical applications. For more information, visit New Method Steel Stamps today at newmethod.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.